What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. In this video I'm going to break down why 90% of people fail in the stock market. If you do like this video or have learned something from it, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Stay tuned. No rules and just trading is a recipe for absolute disaster. If you're going into trades and you have no rules or regulations or criteria and you're just trading, it's basically gambling. You will have better odds going playing blackjack in the casino, and you'll have a bit more fun as well. It's not as dangerous as it is as the stock market. So please put into play make a set of rules and criteria before you do any trade. Put them up on your wall in front of you in your trading station, and to make sure that each trade meets your criteria. Another one is no education. This can be catastrophic as well. Also, I made that mistake at the start. It's horrendous. So I wouldn't urge anybody to trade and not knowing how the stock market works. It is kind of complex initially at the start, but you'll soon understand it is quite easy to get an understanding of after you indulge in education and kind of make yourself a little bit more broad-minded in the stock market. The worst mistake I think you can make is no trading strategy. So what this means is you don't have a plan of action for a specific play. So basically I'll give an example of, if you're looking to get in a trade and you're just getting in at the break of, let's say, 450, and you don't have a price target, you haven't looked at the next resistance, you have no idea where this trade can or will go, and you're just hoping for home runs or the best play. You also didn't put in a stop loss, so you're literally just shooting for the fences, and you're blindfolded. So it's never going to end well, because you have no idea where this can go or will go, and you'll have no idea where your loss is. So it's a recipe for disaster. I have made this mistake recently, and I just kind of wanted to make a video to explain to you how important it is. And I'm well aware of this rule, and I 99% of the time have it in play, but as you can see, everybody makes mistakes, and I just wanted to share it with you to minimize you guys' mistakes. You'll probably still make it, but just kind of be aware of it. It is a super dangerous mistake. So recently I went into 3 trades at one time on 2 different systems. It happened to be in a false breakout. It all happened so fast. I didn't cut my losses on either of my systems, and I erased a week's gains in one day. So that's extremely dangerous. Another massive mistake people make when trading stocks is they let their losses be so big and their winners be so small that this is catastrophic to an account, and over the long run you'll never be profitable. Don't get me wrong, everybody makes the mistake. Even still now, I'll still make the odd mistake of having a 1-to-1 maybe ratio, which means I'm looking for 10 cent and I'm gambling 10 cent as my stop, or I might be looking for 20 cent but my loss will be at 30 cent, and this means you'll never be profitable in the stock market, because your losses will eliminate your gains. So please be aware, always have a minimum of a 2-to-1 risk ratio reward, and anything from above that. So always kind of keep that in your plan of action when you're trading. So I just kind of wanted to go over my mistakes so you guys don't make it. Again, you will have a plan of action in 99% of the time. It's just if you're not 100% in it, you will still make silly mistakes like that. We're all human, but it just shows you how catastrophic they can be and to eliminate people's accounts. So please bear in mind that when you're entering a trade, have your price target set and have your maximum stop loss, either a hard stop or a mental stop, in play, and stick to the rules that you do employ. I didn't. It wiped out my week's gains. So just be aware of all these kind of common mistakes, and to me that's why 90% of people fail in the stock market. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. There is a link in the description below. I've prepared a full module of everything you need to know how to get started in the stock world from A to Z, all the way from what platforms to use to affordable education, and I go into huge detail about candles. Check that link guys, I hope you all enjoy.